Good morning. The start to the pre-Diwali week has been good, if not spectacular. The tough part is whether the bulls will be able to sustain the momentum going ahead. Thursday's F&O expiry will of course bring in some added amount of volatility. Overall, the sentiment remains muted amid lack of incremental triggers. India Inc.'s report card has been mixed. In any case, earnings for financial year 2011 have been mostly discounted. One has to now see whether the current stock prices support earnings growth for financial year 2012. Today's start is likely to be lackluster owing to the indecisive global cues. If you think your holdings will not sustain the volatility, abstain from doing too much. Just hang on till a clear picture emerges either ways. US stocks managed modest gains on an encouraging housing report. European stocks eked out some slim gains as well. Asian markets are mostly trading mixed, and we expect the ongoing sideways consolidation to continue in the coming days and the Nifty to trade between 6,060 to 6,150. The Nifty might head higher if it manages to stay above 6,150 for a reasonably longer period, while support is likely to kick in at around 6,000 and 5,980. The near-term outlook on the global economy and markets continues to be uncertain amid an impending Fed action early next month. The G20 meet of financial officials has helped diffuse some of the tensions on trade and currency imbalances. Next month's G20 Leaders Summit will be followed closely as well. Among the key global data points to watch out for this week include US new home sales, home prices, US advanced GDP estimates for Q3, consumer confidence, UK GDP data, Germany's CPI report, and the latest BOJ policy announcement. The FIs were net buyers of Rs 5.87 billion in the cash segment on Monday provisionally as per the SEBI website. Local funds were net sellers of Rs 3.86 billion. In the F&O segment, the foreign funds were net buyers of Rs 7.44 billion on Monday. The results to be declared today are Alfa Laval, Blue Dart, Bosch, Central Bank, Deepak Fertilizers, Dena Bank, Dish TV, Gujarat Alkalis, HCL Infosystems, Hindustan Media, IBN 18 Broadcast, Jindal Steel, JSW Steel, MRPL, Marico, NTPC, Omnitech Info, Patni, Raymond's, SRF, Sterlite Industries, Swaraj Engines, Tech Mahindra, TB18, Ultratech, Uniforce Enterprise, United Phosphorus, Voltas, and Xenotech Labs. The other news for the day is India's exports shot up by over 23% in September, the highest level in nearly 2 years, and the trade deficit shrunk to $9.12 billion. SEBI has increased the application limit for retail investors to Rs 0.2 million from Rs 0.1 million at present. The direct taxes code to be implemented from 1st April 2011. India to import 5 million tons LPG by 2015. Moving on to the recommendations, the technical calls are a buy on Oriental Bank of Commerce. We recommend buying the stock above levels of Rs 503 with a stop loss to be placed at Rs 493 for a target price of Rs 525, and a buy on GE Shipping. We advise buying the stock above levels of Rs 336 with a stop loss at Rs 329 for a target price of Rs 350 and Rs 355. The derivative strategies are long L&T November future in the range of Rs 2053 to Rs 2057 for a target price of Rs 2103 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 2033, and long Reliance Capital November future in the range of Rs 824 to Rs 827 for a target price of Rs 864 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 804. Thank you and have a great day ahead.